Welcome back. So, in today's video, I will build myself another budget keyboard. I wanted to end my 2021 with another keyboard build. So, before we start this video, I just wanted to point out that I finally have the confidence to use my voice in this video as well as in my next video. This is not a voice reveal special video or whatsoever. I just wanted to give it a shot and hopefully you guys love my effort to do it. Now back to the video. So here are the parts that I bought from Shopee for today's build. Firstly, we have the screw-in stabs that I bought from Kwoall. Here it is, the C3 Equalz screw-in stabs V3. This is my first time experience build with a screw-in stabs. Anyway, all parts link in the description below. Next, we have a GMK muted clones from Obey Consumer Tech. The printing are sharp and it's made from dies of PBT, so it will last long than my relationship. Why did I talk about relationship? I'm single. If you want to buy this set, it does comes with a free keycap puller. My god, I have a few in total and this could be another rabbit hole thing. Now it's time for the keyboard unboxing. If you don't have enough money or in a tight budget and you can't afford the GMMK Pro or the Keycaps Q1, this could be a good alternative for you. Plus, the price is insanely cheap, but don't expect too much if you want a premium feel keyboard. I got this keyboard just around 210 ringgit Malaysia and the delivery time was quick. So now, enjoy the unboxing montage of the Next Time/Infinity75. So this is the Infinity75. The case are made from ABS plastic, aluminum plate, and it's a gasket mounted keyboard. The nicest part is it has a rotary knob and you can control your desktop volume easily. I kinda like it though, and I really need this knob. Oh, if you're in trouble and your teacher or your lecturer or your girlfriend mad at you, you can easily turn off the volume. There are stock plate mounted stabs if you don't want to buy a high quality stabs. And it has an arrow keys, macro keys, and function keys. For me, it's a happy sight to see and a must to have so. I'm a bit disappointed with the typing angle though. It's kinda low and short. That's what she said about my height. Wait, what? Who is she I'm talking about? I'm so confused with myself. Anyway, hopefully for the next batch we'll have a high typing angle like the Tofu 60. This keyboard do comes with a plate foam and a case foam inside. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that the PCB has a north facing LED. So here is the vendor's Shopee site for this keyboard. You can get it right now, it's still a viable though. If you want to buy it, go ahead right now, just go ahead, go, shush. Please watch this video first, please. As for a cheap gasket mounted keyboard, I wasn't expected it to use daughterboard connector. I'm so proud and I'm so surprised. For the overall design, it's really nice, but once you turn the keyboard upside down, you'll be greeted with a huge logo. That's what she said. Man, I need to stop with that joke. By the way, the text do annoy me a little bit, but hey, it's just a personal preferences. As for the specs given, it's a gasket-mounted keyboard. However, it is very stiff and no flexi feel. But hey, don't expect too much on a budget keyboard. Let's move on to the stock steps. I didn't even notice any factory loop inside it, or maybe I didn't see it, or maybe I'm blind, I don't know. And trust me, this PCB do support screw-in steps. Enough talking, enjoy the rest of the video. Don't believe me? It does use USB-C daughterboard connector. So here is the proof that the PCB do support screw-in steps. Finally, after 1 hour and 30 minutes, the steps are done. This is my first time using the screw-in steps and I do really enjoy lubing it. I might say though, the C3 Equalz screw-in steps V3 are insanely good. I can't wait to build more keyboards next year, just hopefully though. Now, let's put some IXPE switch pad onto the PCB. Magic! I actually ran out of IXPE switch pad though, but for now, I'll let it be like this. Now I'll be using tape mod, so yeah, and gonna use 2 layers only. For this one, I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I just wanted to try, do this thick tape help the gasket to flex? And God, I was right. It doesn't work. It's still stiff. Guess I'm calling this mod the dumb mod? I don't know. Now it's time for the foam mod. I used this thin EVA paper foam to dampen the sound. And let me tell you, it still sounded hollow. Maybe next time, next time 75, I'll add some silicone mold as the case dampener. I made a joke there. As for the switches, I'll be using Tuxi Diamond, looped with Krytox G205 Grade 0. I plan on using Taxi Purple Panda for this build, but I changed my mind the very last minute because I'm a linear gang. I don't have enough Taxi Diamond, but I'll be using Gateron Milky Black, Loop and Film for the Afro keys, Macro keys and the Arrow keys. Sorry if I'm using GMK clones though, I couldn't afford expensive keycap set. But for a budget build, I think it's okay to use GMK clone set. Damn, it's so cute and I really love it. So, what do you guys think about this keyboard? Let me know in the comment section below. For me, this keyboard is the best budget keyboard option. Considering the price, it is really perfect, not gonna lie. Hopefully for the second batch, they will improve the gasket problem and make more option for the plates. I think that's it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you made this far in the video, please consider subscribing or give this video a thumbs up. I spent 3 days to edit this video and a like or a subscribe will be appreciated. Thanks for making my 2021 special. You guys are amazing. Thanks for watching.